hair. My edges are white. I freaking hate white edge control. Like, I hate edge control in general because it all does this. Like, all the edge controls I've ever tried, it does this. Anyways, yeah, your girl is on the road, okay? It is Serena's birthday dinner tonight. My girl, That's So Renna, here on YouTube. Make sure you guys go subscribe, go follow my girl, okay? We are going to the city today to a hotel. She has a hotel room where we're gonna set it up real cute with Party in a Bottle. So my mom is behind me, Zaria is behind me. We are all just about to like turn up. Well, minus my mom. My mom's not gonna turn up, but we're gonna turn up, get lit, celebrate Serena's 25th birthday. Oh my God, happy birthday, Serena. By the time y'all watch this video, her birthday will then have passed, okay? But tell her happy birthday anyway. So yeah, we are doing a little setup for her birthday. So I wanted to go ahead and film for you guys for November Madness so that y'all can kind of see a little bit of the behind the scenes of how it is with us setting up for Party in a Bottle, which is my mom's event business. I'm excited, okay, because the setup is going to be super cute. We're doing something real simple because we are going to be at a hotel, so you know the space is kind of limited and we don't want them to be looking at us like, what the hell are y'all doing and what are y'all bringing all this stuff upstairs? You know, we don't want any issues like that, but we're just gonna do a nice little small setup for her. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm freaking excited. I'm actually vlogging and filming this all at the same time, so I need to film some more clips. But I'm en route. We're all en route. We're on the highway. Y'all know Atlanta, we are in traffic. Freaking hate Atlanta. I hate, and I don't even live in Atlanta. Like, I don't even live in the city. I live on the outskirts of the city. Getting into the city is the worst, okay? Like, the absolute worst. I don't care what day it is gonna be a struggle. So we're in a little bit of traffic. It's kind of, sort of, maybe opening up right now. I don't really know, but yeah. I'll see you guys when we get there and start setting up. I'm so excited. Oh, I see her. Wait. Y'all don't see her, but I see her. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Oh, buzz it. Buzz it wide open.
With the Mickey Mouse on.
With the Mickey Mouse on. Yep. Views. Look. Oh. Now we can hear you now, so we're gonna give it a smooth
20 seconds.
20 seconds. 20 seconds on the clock.
Testing. Yeah, okay, 22 seconds. Hi, my name is Serena, and this is me at shot number 1. Okay, this is more than a shot. I just want to say, okay.
Hey. Ooh, took it like a champ. Ooh.
Woo.
Yeah.
How many times are we checking in? Each shot?
How many shots are you taking, sis?
I don't know. Say, man.
Please don't start that.
Nah, bruh. Pull up on me.
Please don't start. Amen. Amen.
Pull up on me. Bye. Bye. What?
Oh, Jesus. Reno, dropping the camera.
God. All right, my name is Serena, and this is shot number 2. Okay.
This number 2?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me go ahead and catch up. Oh, Jesus.
Yo, Serena is a psycho, okay? You're psycho.
What are you waiting for, a face?
You're psycho.
You're waiting for a face?
No, it doesn't faze her at all. I mean, not
It's gotta get drank, hell.
not even a flinch.
It's gotta get drank.
Come on with the Crown Royal extensions. You better be an ambassador, girl. You better be an ambassador,
Watercolor
girl.
and stuff. That's crazy. I'll link it in the description box always.
Girl.
You ever change it? Not with the face on Android.
There is no way I would have been able to do this
Hello.
myself. Like,
Hey, baby Corolla.
no, she crimped her own hair. The setup is set up. See you later. Thank you. Bodacious. Bodacious. Bitch, what the hell you got going on? Come on. I'm screaming. Come on, get this parking spot. I'm trying not to expose this man's license plate. Hey, yo.
I saw a diamond in the parking lot. I said, "What's up, boy?" She's like,
Y'all better be, hold on, let me get a full view. Y'all better be looking cute as hell up in this car for the birthday dinner. Okay,
"It's a Beamer."
Ooh, in the Beamer?
And it ain't rented though. And it ain't rented though. What the name on the paperwork? What the name on the paperwork?
This girl right here is.
Stop for the circulator.
Oh, turn the Come on out, sis. Come on, roll your window up. Come on, roll your window.
I got options. Chill out.
Come on, roll your window up. There go her food.
You're saying it correct.
My drink on. My food not here yet. I got shrimp scampi.
Yes, sir. Oh, this is Serena.
On 3, y'all gotta help us now, alright?
ready?
1, 2,
That's my boy right there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Serena. Period. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Finally, this girl talking about the damn Polaroid camera. Oh my god. Perfection. That's it right there.
Color too.
Right.
Praise God.
Look, he's like, what is this happening?
He's like, what?
Look at this nigga.
Look what Kush got me.
Turn it the other way.
Look what Kush got me. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. My turn. Up here, go. I have a card for you. Here you go.
It's orange. Renna. Oh.
Yeah, it's orange. You knew it would be orange. Bring on the tears, baby. Bring on the tears. Bring on the tears. Bring on the tears. You've been wanting to cry this whole damn time. Bring on the tears.
Oh, this is cute, Corey. Oh, that's cute, Corey. Affirmation, yeah.
What?
This better not be what I think. Oh, thanks.
Take it now.
Right now.
Thanks.
Right now.
Shot.
Yes, sir. That was too much in sync. I don't know why we all said the right thing, but we did.
I'm not doing this.
No, please stop. You just took, two back to back. Let's relax. No. Let's relax. No. Oh, why are you looking at me like that?
I feel like Patrick. You know we had to.
Right. Yes. Ooh, this is cute, Corey. Oh, it's a long strap.
It's small like that. Like it's small.
Thanks, Mom.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, you need
I think it has like a little, it has a chain that
I
like,
see.
yeah.
Optional?
It like hangs down off of the front. Like how my pearls are doing right now. It like
Oh,
hangs
that's
down.
cute.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Happy birthday.